So in this example, we will be adding an ID field to the two objects in the payload and to the jobs objects inside the payload objects. Okay, so we will check how we are going to do that. So first, payload map. Inside we need an object, so we will add ID, index is coming 0. Now we have name field, it will be coming as item dot name. Now jobs is an array of objects, so you know that you can apply map on arrays. So you will apply jobs item dot jobs map. Okay, now again you want an object because it is an array of objects. Now ID we will also give here, index comma, we want role item dot role. So this is how we have achieved the same. We have given ID to the two objects which are here, and we have given ID to these objects as well. So ID 0, name Archer, jobs, ID 0 developer, ID 1 investor, ID 2 educator. Second object index is 1 Cyril, jobs ID 0 developer, ID 1 entrepreneur, ID 2 Leon. Okay, here we have used map twice. I hope you guys have got this right. Thanks.